how to fix your voice chat on Destiny 2. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you improve or fix voice chat on Destiny 2. So let's get started. First, open the control panel on your PC or laptop. For that, at the bottom in the search bar, you'll have to search for control panel. After you find it, you'll have to open that. After you open control panel, from there, click on hardware and sound. And from here on the section sound, you'll have to click on change system sounds. And from here, click on recording. Okay, from here, as usual, you can find your recording or check your microphone that is working or not. Simply from here, as you can confirm that. Right now, I am using microphone of this Type C earphone or microphone array, so it is ready and it is defaultly working. As you can also change the or configure the settings for that microphone. For that, double click on that. From here, as usual, choose the options like playback through this device as default playback device, or on the section label you can customize the microphone label of this microphone. On the advanced section you can change the default format like 2 channel or 3 channel or DVD quality your microphone is accessing, so you can simply change it from here. Or you can also go to the options like playback. After you come on the playback section, you can as usual check your speaker too. Simply double tap or double click on your speaker. After you click on that, you can go the options levels, increase the speaker level. On the section enhancement, you can enhance the sound for your speaker like bass boost, virtual sound, room correction or loudness equalization. After you do this, on the section advanced, you can manually customize the default format as 64-bit, 16-bit or any type of quality on your speaker. As you can also go the option spatial sound. From the section, you can manually turn it on. If you want Windows Sonic for your headphones, so you can customize these settings on your sounds and microphone from your control panel. After you customize some settings from here, your problem should be fixed on Destiny 2. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.